So, welcome again, guys. This is Big Papa in the kitchen, and today I'm gonna be doing a quick juice for you. I'm gonna show you how I do my cucumber juice. So, you don't need a lot, guys. Not a lot, because as I'm gonna be showing you, all you need to do with this juice is all you need to do with this juice is just your cucumber, your ginger, your on the blender, and your sweetening source. Today I'm gonna be using I might be using sugar, or I might be using that sweetening substitute that I have. It's I'm gonna show you it a bit later, but I think I might be using sugar because I'm not sure I have enough agave to do all of this cucumber juice. So all I need is your cucumber, ginger, your blending thing. I'm gonna use my Magic Ninja, and that's it, guys. So when you come back, I'll be cutting up the cucumber and the ginger and place it all in the Magic Ninja to blend. So see you in a few. So guys, here's my cucumber. Just gonna wash my cucumbers. Wash them off real good. Maybe more than tap water. Make sure it's wash clean. Because we're gonna be using the skin. Guys, we're gonna be using the skin. So it's not like you're gonna be peeling them. The skins are gonna be used, so you have to make sure that they are washed completely. Then they cut off like the ends right there. Make sure the ends are cut off. Okay. Those ones are already cut. This one, cut the end. Cut the end. Okay, guys. There you go. The blender, which is already clean and sanitized. You put this here. Wait, so. Damn, like this here. Let's see if everything else. Okay. I think we're good. Yeah, should be good. Okay. So I'm just gonna cut one and show you then. They're gonna be, you just cut them in the way you want to, because it's already blender. Put it in. So that's it. Okay. That's it. So I'm gonna just add enough water to that just to make sure that everything is quite ready. So guys, when you come back, I'll be blending up. So guys, water is in the blender. It is ready to be blended. So here we go. So guys, that's the blending. So make sure stop, like the plug out to the let's do another thing. So just like that, and up like that, then let's pour it out. So I'm just gonna strain it now, guys. So well, that's the process, as you can see, for the blending. Then you strain it. Normally when some people do not strain it, but I like to strain my thing. I don't like to have that I'm feeling those grain things in my mouth. So guys, I love to strain. Forget my knife, but you know it is. So then the strainer. So so this is, I have this thing, it gets out everything when you're straining. So just not to make an accident, I do it like this. So I'm thinking you guys can see everything. So all of the whatever has been blending will be strained right out. Nothing to be in your mouth or anything like that. So let me get a spoon. So, this one's there. So, get rid of that. So, as you can see, guys, this process is a bit tedious, but at least you don't have any. Some people like to drink the blended part of I would call it the trash part of the cucumber in the drink, but I don't. I just like my juice just clear and smooth, nothing in it. So I like to do it like this. So you have a nice pure glass of cucumber juice. Okay. So this is how we do this process, and then after this, you blend. Oh, I forgot to add the ginger, but I can put the ginger to the other batch that I'm gonna be blending. So guys, next when you see me, you might see me just sweetening up, and I'm gonna taste this. So as I said, guys, that's how I like to do my cucumber juice. No, what you would call it? No trash in it. There's no trash in it. You know, so yeah. And make sure you enter all the screen. Okay. You're not just preparing for yourself sometimes. You might have this oven, okay. Yeah, for them a nice smooth glass of cucumber juice. So guys, whatever you do, make sure your hands are always clean. Okay? So that means washing the hands while you're working. Now the hands get dirty, but sometimes clean all the time. Okay. it's clean. Okay. So look at this, guys. This is why I strain it. You see, all of this. It's good for you, but I don't like it. I don't like having it in my mouth. So I like to strain it all the time. So guys, next time you see me, we'll be seeing it. So guys, I'm almost done sweetening. I already put in some other agave. This is the blue agave. So I'm just gonna put in some more, just a little bit more. So my ginger and cucumber is already in, and just put in a little bit more of the blue agave in it. And guys, this is a pure organic sweetener. It's you know, if you're tired of using sugar or you want an alternative to sugar, this is a nice alternative, the blue agave. So guys, this is my ginger. It's already in it, everything. You can see the nice green color. You know, so I'm just gonna pour into my glass. I have ice already, and it's a nice yeah, I drink ice right through winter, summer, winter, whenever I've done ice. So guys, that's the cucumber juice, and perfect. Okay, so guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. So guys, this is Big Papa in the kitchen, signing out for now. Yeah. Oh yeah, good.